A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once in a village, there was a salt merchant who owned a lazy donkey. One day, he heard that salt was cheaper by the seashore. So he decided to go into the salt business. He went and loaded his donkey with salt and then headed back home. Every day he went to town to sell his salt. One day, the merchant loaded his donkey with bags of salt to go to the market. They had not walked far when they reached a river on the road. Unfortunately, the donkey slipped and fell into the river. Most of the salt dissolved in the water. On rising, the donkey noticed that the bags of salt loaded on his back became lighter. There was nothing the merchant could do except return home, where he reloaded his donkey again. As they reached the slippery river bank, now deliberately, the donkey fell into the river and wasted all the bags of salt again. The merchant quickly discovered the donkey's trick. He then returned home again, but this time, he reloaded his donkey with bags of sponges. On reaching the river, the donkey again fell into the water. But this time, the sponges filled with water doubled his load. The merchant laughed at him and said, "You foolish donkey! Your trick has been discovered. You should know that those who are too clever sometimes overreach themselves." Moral: the same method may not apply to all situations.